Global street food adventures journeys across continents to uncover street bites that carry memories, rituals, and ancient trade routes. From smoky alleys of Lagos to sunlit stalls in Hanoi, the host chats with vendors who reveal the dish's origins and daily rhythms. Interviews with cooks and customers illuminate how food binds families, marks celebrations, and preserves languages through scent and spice. Personal anecdotes mingle with sensory details as we taste, hear sizzling pans, and watch age-old techniques meet modern curiosity. The episode leaves viewers craving discovery, reminding travelers that a simple skewered snack can echo centuries of culture.